CYCN stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking at Cyclerion Therapeutics. Yeah, the name is the name of the day for sure. But yeah, like this is a ticker where it just blew up out of nowhere for like 50% up. Before that, it was just melting or whatever. And I get it, you know, like I know it's listed on the NASDAQ, but it's not something that I'm willing to kind of trade. And I think a lot of you are probably thinking about investing this and making a quick little 5-10x, you know, typical. But yeah, I've done 35,000 videos. I've spent thousands of courses and mentors and documented everything. Generally speaking, I have no problems against, you know, like potentially doubling down on this. But my genuine idea is that I'm not even exaggerating when I say I've seen this happen thousands of times. But it's only going to be a bearish market and something that I'll short on if I see a double break. If not, you know, this thing can go however much it wants. If there is a double break, I'm taking the bearish side. That's it. If you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It is a free newsletter.